Good morning, humans. It is morning. It is.
Here's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line, try a different lipstick.
And I've done my best to cover up all my blotches of face breakout this morning. I have no idea what that is. It's probably Olive and Brave chasing each other. Short day today, but tomorrow I have to get up really early because I have to unload our truck. Be all strong and such, but this afternoon I'm gonna mow. I nearly said vacuum the lawn. Wouldn't it be nice if it were easy as that? Just like go around, just. But no, it's not. So, I gotta do that just because I want to get it done as soon as possible. Plus, I want to make a cake. Oh, so many things. Hopefully, the lawn won't take that long. My goal is to have it done in under an hour and only use 1 tank of gas. Or at least a tank and a little bit more. Something like that. That's my goal. I always set myself like this goal of expectations. I'm like, when I mow my grass, I'm like, can I get this done in an hour? Can I get this done in an hour? Which, with how short it is, it won't be nearly as hard to fight with a lawnmower. So maybe I can get it done in an hour. Maybe an hour, hour and a half. A tank of gas, though, that's pushing it. So let's see. Maybe. But I'll see you guys in a few hours. I'm home. Home. And I have to go mow my grass. So I'm going to go do that. And hopefully I have time to make a cake. Maybe lay out and tan. I think I can accomplish these things. If I put my mind to anything, you know, magic happens. Or not. Yeah. So let's go sprinkle some magic and get this yard done. I think maybe an hour, hour and a half. We'll put about 3:30, so that should be able to make the cake after dinner. If dinner's early. You know what? I'll get this all figured out. I will. I have to go to bed early, though, because of early work. But before I go and mow the grass, I'm going to import the footage because I am scatterbrained enough to forget to do that. Yeah. So, let's get this show on the road, guys. Let's get it on the road. Snap, snap to it. One. Oh, I still thought... Oh, okay, well, one, I still thought I had my iPod in my pocket. 2, I'm hot and I'm sweaty. 3, the next time you see me, I will not have my face painted. It is 4 o'clock. It took me about an hour and a half. I did take a couple 15-minute breaks, but my yard's done. Yes. So it's Tuesday. My yard's mowed, because I didn't do it last week. Because I didn't feel like doing it last week, but it's done. I'm gonna go shower, get the sweat off me, and the gas smell. Ugh, gives me such a headache. And then when I'm done, dinner will be done. Yay! I'm gonna go though, because I look nasty. Ugh. Nugget, no one's seeing you today. Here, be cute. Okay, is this cute? You're gonna be? Olive. Don't knock knock. Mommy's dirty clothes. Mommy has to put her clothes away. Something she should do. Yeah. What you doing? What you finding to get into? Oh, what you finding to get into? No, you stay out of that. Where are you going? There? That's where you wanna be. Olive. Okay. Sorry I disappeared. It's 8 o'clock now. Mostly because my face demons spawns of Satan that grow up on my face. So I've been hiding out because of them. Yeah, we went to Walmart. We bought things. I bought Paddington. I didn't even know it was coming out. I like Paddington. Paddington the bear. I'm not going to bed quite yet. Thinking 9. That's what I was getting ready to do. I was getting ready to set my alarms for tomorrow. No. Okay. I just want to turn them on and turn these ones off. Okay. There we go. Everything's set alarm wise for tomorrow. What's the temp? I did not make my cake like I was going to. Time got away from me, I guess. Then we went to the store, so that took a little time away from me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. You just be special there, okay? Be special. But yeah, I'm gonna make it tomorrow after I get off work. Because I shouldn't have to go to the store or anything. I don't think. No, I don't think. But I'm gonna just continue watching YouTube videos probably until I say goodnight to you guys and get ready for bed. Where did you find... Oh, that's your... Okay, that's that toy. Okay. For a second there, I thought she just had a white feather. No, it's just that toy there. Just that toy. Yep, and she did that. So I'm sitting here, minding my own business, and I hear something going on. And I look down, and this... Oh, Miss Innocent now. Miss Innocent. You weren't playing with that cord, were you? No. No, you weren't playing with that cord, were you? Oh, were you, Olive? You're so damn bad. Because you were so playing with this cord right here like 30 seconds ago. It's not yours. Hey! Excuse you. Who buys your kibble? Who buys your kibble? I want you to remember that. Next time you think about attacking me. Huh? Who buys your kibble? That's right, I do. So, slow your roll. Slow your roll. And now it sleeps. Shh, don't wake it. Don't wake it. Okay, guys, it's 9:30. I should have been in bed a half an hour ago, but YouTube got to me. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys had a good day. I had a productive day, except I didn't make the fucking cake. By the end of this week, tomorrow I'm making the cake. I'm making the cake tomorrow after work. I mowed the grass today, make the cake tomorrow, and maybe Friday night I'll make videos for my other channel. I don't know. I haven't figured. But anyways, if you're new and you like today, make sure you hit subscribe down below so you guys know when I get a new video up, which is usually daily, which will hopefully be daily, unless extenuating circumstances, you know, come about. And if you like today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys tomorrow. Night! Making all the decisions, asking good